acidification have been attested for the first time during the 70s, and since this day we have observed that each year the oceans become more and more acidic. This acidification, we know where it comes from. It is a chemical reaction of atmospheric CO2 with seawater that decrease the ocean pH. And of course there is consequences, bad consequences for marine life, especially for coral reefs. My immersion project is Acid Reef, which is a project focusing first on the impact of ocean acidification on coral reef, then on the perception of ocean acidification by French population. There is evidence of a leak of information and communication around the impact of ocean acidification on marine life, and the goal of Acid Reef will be first to evaluate this weakness inside the French population. To do that, we have realized a survey that will be diffused during this summer. And inside this survey, we test people's point of view on many different coral reef issues. And thanks to the results, we will be able to answer to many questions. For example, what people think about the importance of coral reef for the economy, or those people think if ocean acidification is a natural phenomena or not, and so on. So we'll be able to point out the weakness of knowledge and then to communicate on that. You, as an intern, you will have to analyze the survey data and to develop communication tools according to our results. So you will have to create a partnership with several media and ocean stakeholders to communicate on ocean acidification, with the objective to aware the French population. Of course, you will not be alone to do that. You will be supported by a team of 3 scientists. Many studies say that 90% of the coral reef will disappear at the age of 2100 if we do nothing. And we all know the consequences on biodiversity and for the economy if it's happened. Thanks to Acid Reef, you will have the opportunity to contribute to make it change.